We're standing in front of the Skyhouse Dallas. This is a great luxury high-rise in Victory Park, and I want to just give you a feel of the location of where this stands. It's a great location. It's right on the edge of Victory Park, and I'm going to pan a little bit so you can see more of the street. But it's a clean street. It's very modern, and all of these buildings that are here have been very recently built. Over here, so the Skyhouse is right here, but then over here, literally walking distance, is the House of Blues. So that's a fun place to hear live music and grab a drink and stuff like that. And then there's Dick's Last Resort that's over here. So this is literally like on the edge of three areas. It's on the edge of downtown, uptown, and then of course it's in Victory Park. One thing that you're not seeing here as well is your walking distance, and I mean within 3 or 4 minutes or so, to great restaurants and night spots that are in Victory Park. So you'd be in quick walking distance. You're also in quick walking distance to the American Airlines Center, which is, I don't know, 7 or 8 minutes walking. It's not very far. And so you could go to concerts, the Stars, the Mavericks, all sorts of things that are here. You can take advantage of Victory Park. Victory Park is very modern. It's a great area for young professionals and for professionals in general. And that's it. So the leasing office for the Skyhouse is over here in front of us. And then there's the garage, and that garage is exclusive to Skyhouse. So you've got a garage parking that's right there. And so that's it, you guys, and make sure to watch the interior parts of our video for Skyhouse. Talk to you soon.